Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are talking about staking Solana on Coinbase. If you are on the Coinbase home screen, it'll usually show you your Solana. I don't have any Solana. So what I would do, and what you can do if you don't see it on your home screen, is go to the search tab and just type in Solana or Sol, and it should pop up. Okay, so then it will bring you to this tab here. Now you want to make sure you're not on the insights side, you want to be on balance. And if you scroll down on balance, you should see staking options. Again, I have no Solana, so mine will say buy and stake. So again, I won't be able to continue further, but for you, it's just one more screen over and it's going to show you all the relevant information to your Solana stake. You can choose to stake all your Solana, or you can click on the pencil icon right next to the stake button on the next page, and that will allow you to adjust how much Solana you want to stake, and you can earn up to a maximum of 7.74 APY. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, liking, and I'll see you in the next video.